If your Android phone's icons, menus, or interface appear too small, you can quickly increase the display size through the Settings app. This simple adjustment improves visibility and makes everyday navigation much easier. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen in the app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Once you're in Settings, scroll through the list of options and tap Display. This section contains various screen customization settings, including brightness, font size, screen timeout, and display size options. Next, scroll down until you find Screen Zoom or Display Size. Tap on it to open the adjustment screen. You will see a preview showing how the changes will affect your apps, text, and icons. Now drag the slider to the right toward the plus sign. As you move the slider, you'll notice the preview updating instantly, allowing you to choose the size that feels most comfortable. Larger settings make app icons, buttons, menus, and interface elements easier to see and tap. After selecting your preferred display size, simply exit the Settings app. Most Android phones apply the changes automatically, so there's no need to save or restart your device. Open a few apps to confirm that everything looks comfortable and easy to read. If the display appears too large or too small, you can return to the screen zoom settings at any time and adjust the slider until you're satisfied. And that's it. You have successfully increased the display size on your Android phone, making the screen more comfortable and easier to use every day.